Welcome to another GNAR RV episode. I'm Mason.
And I'm Ashley.
Today we are going to be installing an engine block heater cord into our beautiful Ram 2500.
This is not to be confused with an engine block heater. Our Ram 2500 came with the engine block heater itself. We just have to install the cord.
If you own a Ram 2500 that is relatively new, odds are it already has the engine block heater in it. You just actually have to plug in the cord. So today we're going to go through and install the cord. It only takes about 20 minutes, and we need to get it done because we're going into an RV soon where the climate is very cold.
Whenever the temperatures are below, what would you say that you would need an engine block heater cord?
Well, the manual says 0 degrees, but if it's below 32, I'm probably going to want to have it plugged in just because it's going to be a better start in the morning.
For this process, we don't need a lot of tools. We just have a handy dandy pair of scissors here, a headlamp, zip ties, and the engine block heater cord itself, which we got on Amazon for around $20.
Yeah, you can buy a OEM one, like a Mopar one for, $60+, but it's a heater cord. You're literally just plugging it in. So if I need to get another one in a few years, which I doubt, I'll just pay another $20. And I don't know, to be honest, it's all you need. So, and the dealer was going to charge over $100 to plug this cord in, which is just ridiculous.
Yeah, we're DIY people anyways, and it seems like a pretty easy process, so here we go.
The first step that we did when we started this project was actually just locating where the cord plugged in. And so there's a couple different ways you can go about doing it. You can go in through the top over kind of by where the air filter is, or you can actually go through the passenger side wheel well.
After we found where it was located, we removed this small cap and were able to plug in the cable where this cap was removed.
I would recommend also having a set of small hands available, as those are very helpful to screw in the metal part of the cord when you plug it in. We also found that it was very easy to go through the passenger side wheel well, and we kind of used that to help route the cable down and around the various parts to get it towards the front bumper.
Once it was fed through the tire, I was able to pass the cable off to Mason, who was under the truck, and he was able to avoid all the things that he knew to avoid.
A couple things that you want to avoid in that area are the oil filter and the belts that are either going to get really hot or have moving parts, and you obviously just want to avoid having a cable around those when installing this, and it's super easy to avoid. You just kind of route around them. I actually zip tied to the frame in 2 places, and we had a little excess that I just kind of bunched up and zip tied as well.
We decided that we wanted the cable to come out the front bumper, in which it almost looked like it wasn't going to be able to fit through there. But if you look closely, on the side of the bumper, there is this flexible rubber where you can move it to the side and the cable fits great through that.
And there you have it. It was a pretty easy installation. Took us maybe 20 minutes once we figured out where the cord plugged in and how to kind of route it through the frame and everything. But it was an easy installation. It's going to keep our engine working great this winter when we're in Salt Lake.
All right, we hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.
And give us a subscribe. Check us out at gnaroutdoors.com. We have a podcast, all sorts of other videos and content coming out.
All right, thanks for watching.
See you later.